Hey guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can access the secret menu on Netflix, which has a wide range of movies and videos and TV series that you wouldn't normally find using the standard Netflix. So first of all, if you open up your internet and come across to netflix.com, and then go ahead and sign into your account. Okay, and once that's loaded through,
just checking
what happens,
over.
you generally get a few options. So, for example, top picks, and you get genres like comedies, action, adventure, kids, animation, that kind of thing. Now, there's actually sub-genres within these categories, which Netflix don't actually show all of. And to access that, what you need to do is come across to this website here. What I'll do, I'll leave a link for this website in the description below. If we come across, you've actually got a list of codes here. It might be a good idea to just note down a couple of the codes. Just so you've got those there. Now, just a heads up, this would only work on a web browser. So if you're using a Netflix app, or you're trying to watch it through the app on your phone or a tablet, it's not going to work. You have to do this through the web browser. That's the only downfall to this method. So once you've chosen your code, I'm going to go for this one here, martial arts movies, and the codes are to the right hand side. You can see this one is 8985. What I'm going to do is just note that on my pad, 8985. And what you need to do is up here on the Netflix website, you need to just enter, after it says browse, you need to put a /, then genre, then another /, and then you need to enter the code after you've put genre in. So whatever the code is, it will go after in here. So for the martial arts one, it is 8985. So I'm just going to pop that in, 8985, hit enter. Just give that a second, and there you go. Martial arts.
Either you cook my rice, or I cook you.
My
I've
apologies.
got all the martial arts films now. All the ones tagged with martial arts.
How am I supposed to help her cook rice without getting caught? Wait, I have a better idea.
Let's go.
One.
Crime, action,
Hey,
and adventure. 9584. So 9584. Enter. And there we go.
John Wick, excommunicado, in effect.
You can see there's a ton of movies there. So that's a nice little trick for Netflix to get access to more movies and films that wouldn't normally be shown on the general Netflix. If you did find this video helpful, please leave a like on the video and drop a comment below. And if you consider subscribing to the channel, I do upload daily tutorials, step-by-steps, and neat tips and tricks for everything and anything tech and digital related. And I'll see you in the next one.